stop doing this. It is very time consuming. Instead, ganito ang gawin nyo. Select the cell, then right click, format cell, custom, type natin ang sequence at asterisk, space, double quotation, colon, or kung anong gusto mong special character ang gusto mong ilagay. Then okay, type tayo, last name, first name, nakita nyo ba? Middle name, date of birth, sex, and that's it. Yan yung the best way to insert a special character sa text at numerical data sa Excel. So meron akong mahabang video niyan, nakalink lang dyan kung gusto nyo panoorin. Ilista nyo lang yung sequence o kaya isave nyo lang itong video na to for your future reference. Follow and subscribe for more tutorials.